Hello friends. So today I will discuss a very important topic, rather say a very important question, that is thread method the best to solve circular puzzles as well as square puzzles? See, many of us have this query and it is genuine because most of the candidates prepare for puzzles from Ankush Lamba sir, and Ankush Lamba sir says that thread method is best for solving circular and square puzzles, and he is right also. I tell you why. See, when we get any question in which all the persons are sitting in same direction, then solving that puzzles by either method wouldn't make much difference. There would be a minor difference in timing which you may or may not notice, and that's why most of the students start thinking that both the method is same. In fact, thread method is more confusing, so they go for the traditional method, that is by drawing a circle or a square. But when the question is a little bit twisted, like they give some persons are facing outside or inside, or some persons are facing north and while others south, then here the thread method plays a vital role. If you solve the same question by thread method, then it will take very less time, but if you solve the same question by traditional method, then you will get confused and it will take more time. It may also happen that you may end up wasting your 5 to 7 minutes, and at last you may even leave that question. So I would only say that you definitely go for thread method, because I was one of those who used to think that thread method is not so good. It's such job to suggest whether to implement it or not, it is up to me, and I used to solve circular puzzles by traditional method. But once I thought of giving a try, and when I solved it by thread method, then I was shocked, because I was able to solve it in a less period of time. So I would recommend you to go for a thread method, because it is the best method for solving circular as well as square puzzles. The only thing you have to do is to do lots and lots of practice, because initially you will feel uncomfortable with this method, but as you keep practicing with time, you will get accustomed to it, and then you will feel it very easy. So I would say you to solve circular and square puzzles with this method only. And again, the same thing, whether you want to implement it in your practice or not, it is wholly up to you. It's your life, whether you want to make it or not, it is up to you. Thank you.